If you're considering GoDaddy bookkeeping for your business, there are a few key things you need to know before making the decision to buy. In this video, we'll cover 12 important factors that can help you decide if it's the right choice for you or if a competitor might better suit your needs. Let's get straight into it. First thing to know, GoDaddy bookkeeping is known for being simple and easy to use, which makes it a great option for small businesses and freelancers. It's ideal if you need something straightforward, but it's not as feature-rich as some other options like QuickBooks or Xero, which may be better for larger operations with more complex needs. Next thing, one of the biggest advantages of GoDaddy bookkeeping is its automatic integration with PayPal and your bank accounts. This makes tracking your income and expenses hassle-free, saving you time compared to manually entering transactions. However, compared to other tools like FreshBooks, its integration options are somewhat limited. The third thing, the pricing is relatively affordable for small businesses. Starting at $4.99 per month, it's one of the more budget-friendly options out there. But this could be misleading because the more advanced features you'll need, like invoicing or tax preparation, require a higher tier plan. The fourth thing, it offers tax support for freelancers, including automated tax calculations and the ability to generate tax reports. This is a great feature if you're self-employed, but larger companies may find it lacking compared to something like QuickBooks Self-Employed or Wave, which offer more extensive tax features. Next thing, GoDaddy Bookkeeping excels at invoicing, allowing you to quickly create and send invoices with customizable templates. But while it's efficient, it's not as flexible as FreshBooks or Zoho Books, which allow for more detailed customization. The sixth thing, one feature you might not expect is its ability to track mileage. If you're on the road a lot for your business, GoDaddy Bookkeeping can automatically track your mileage, making expense reporting much simpler. But it doesn't have the level of depth that apps like MileIQ offer, which are dedicated solely to mileage tracking. Next up, GoDaddy Bookkeeping's customer support is fairly responsive, but it doesn't have 24/7 support like some competitors, including QuickBooks or Xero. So, if you value round-the-clock assistance, this might be a deal breaker. The eighth thing, GoDaddy Bookkeeping doesn't offer the same depth of reporting as competitors. While it provides basic reports like income and expenses, other software like QuickBooks provides more comprehensive financial analysis tools, which might be a necessity as your business grows. The ninth thing, it's important to note that GoDaddy Bookkeeping does not offer project management tools, which can be a drawback for businesses that need to track projects alongside accounting. Competitors like FreshBooks have this feature, making them a better fit for service-based businesses. The 10th thing, GoDaddy Bookkeeping's mobile app is solid for tracking income and expenses on the go, but the experience is not as polished as some other apps. For example, Xero offers more functionality and a better user experience, especially for managing multi-currency transactions. The 11th thing, one feature GoDaddy Bookkeeping does well is its simplicity. If you're looking for something that's quick to set up and doesn't require much learning, it's a great option. However, if you need advanced accounting features, you may outgrow it quickly and need to upgrade to a more comprehensive solution. Lastly, if you need to track recurring bills or manage a large number of clients, GoDaddy Bookkeeping is limited. It doesn't have the robust client management features found in tools like Zoho Books or QuickBooks, which are better equipped for managing customer relationships on a larger scale. So, is GoDaddy Bookkeeping a good option? Yes, especially for freelancers and small businesses who need something easy to use and affordable. But if you're looking for more features and customization options, there are definitely better choices out there. If you want to explore a solution that offers more advanced features, including better reporting, customer management, and tax support, check out our recommended option that you can try for free.